Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping biomedia so beneficial bacteria can establish quickly. Rinse the media in dechlorinated water until runoff is clear. This removes dust that causes cloudiness. Once done, switch off the filter and gently remove the internal basket to access the chamber. Place coarse, porous media at the bottom to create flow channels. This prevents compaction and gives surface area for nitrifiers. Make sure pieces are snug but not pressed. Good water circulation is the goal for effective biological filtration. Next, you build the internal structure to balance mechanical and biological filtration. Layer ceramic rings or bioballs above the core space so bacteria colonize high-surface substrates. These provide the bulk of nitrifying area. Once done, add a fine sponge last to catch detritus and shield the biomedia from clogging. Rinse sponges weekly. Make sure to leave 1/4 to 1/3 of the chamber as a flow channel so water moves through, not around. The media, this maximizes contact time and keeps bacteria healthy. Finally, you reassemble and bring the system back online carefully. Reinstall the media basket and any pre-filter, then prime the unit if required. Start the pump and check for leaks or abnormal vibration. Once running, monitor ammonia and nitrite daily for the first 2 weeks so you can track bacterial colonization. If readings spike or water becomes cloudy, do a partial 25% water change, reduce feeding, and check for clogged sponge or reduced flow. These steps usually stop stress and let beneficial bacteria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.